We primarily know her from Greek mythology. In later eras, she appears in stories and modern-era films. We see her as a monster with hair full of venomous snakes, whose gaze turns anyone to stone. This was her curse, we know that. But what did she do to earn this curse? Gorgon Medusa is a creature in ancient Greek mythology with serpent hair who turns everything that meets her gaze to stone. She is the youngest daughter of Phorcys and Cato. According to another legend, she is the daughter of Gorgon. Medusa was born a stunningly beautiful maiden. Athena envied her beauty, especially her gorgeous hair. One day Poseidon, captivated by Medusa's beauty, transformed into a bird, won her heart, and assaulted her in Athena's temple. Enraged by this, Athena cursed her. Once, when young Perseus was invited by Polydectes, ruler of Seriphos Island, to his horse gathering. According to tradition, every guest invited to the gathering had to gift the king a horse. Boastful Perseus declared he could gift the king anything he desired, even Medusa's head if needed. After receiving horses from all guests, King Polydectes demanded Perseus bring Medusa's head, threatening to forcibly marry his mother Danae if he failed. As the desperate Perseus brooded on a cliff, Hermes appeared, encouraged him, and revealed that goddess Athena would help him. For this quest, he would need 3 items guarded by nymphs: the helm of darkness, winged sandals, and a magic pouch. He could learn their location from Medusa's sisters, the Graeae. The Graeae were born gray-haired, sharing 1 eye and 1 tooth. With Athena's help, Perseus stole their eye and tooth, forcing them to reveal the nymph's location in exchange for returning them. After obtaining the items from the nymphs, he sailed across oceans with Hermes and Athena to the edge of the world, Medusa's lair. Since Medusa turned anyone who met her gaze to stone, following Athena's advice, he used his polished shield as a mirror. With Hermes' diamond sickle, he beheaded Medusa and placed it in the magic pouch. During their struggle, Medusa was pregnant with Poseidon's child. From her headless body sprang her children, the giant Chrysaor and winged horse Pegasus. As Perseus flew back, drops of Medusa's blood fell on African soil, spawning numerous wild beasts. Blood that fell on Libyan soil created venomous Libyan serpents that destroyed all living creatures there. Another local legend claims coral reefs formed from her blood flowing into the ocean. Athena gave Asclepius blood from Medusa's veins. Blood from the left side of her body was lethal, while blood from the right side had reviving properties. Asclepius used it to resurrect the dead. After beheading Medusa, Perseus used her head as a weapon, exploiting its petrifying curse. Returning home to his mother's island, he found her being forcibly married to the king. He shouted, "Mother, close your eyes." He raised Medusa's head high. All who saw it instantly turned to stone from the curse. Later, Perseus gave Medusa's head to Athena, who placed it on her shield. Other sources claim Perseus buried the head in the marketplace of Argos. In classical mythology, in the age when gods divided the cosmos, lived Medusa, a maiden whose beauty made all envious, yet made every god fall for her. Medusa was so beautiful that no other woman on earth could rival her beauty. Thus it said all women on earth envied Medusa for her beauty. This beautiful Medusa had devoted herself to the gods, living in Athena's temple with her 2 sisters, Athena being Zeus's beloved daughter, goddess of wisdom. These 3 sisters were daughters of Phorcys and Cato. Except Medusa, the other 2 were immortal. Athena, seeing this beautiful girl living in her temple, was amazed by her beauty, but considered herself more beautiful and far wiser, so didn't pay much mind to it. Athena was with Poseidon, Zeus's brother, lord of the seas. The mighty immortal god Poseidon also knew of this beautiful girl living in Athena's temple. But fearing ridicule for loving a mortal, he concealed his interest in her. One day, Athena learned of Poseidon's interest in Medusa through all-knowing Zeus's guidance. Poseidon vehemently denied it and swore to Athena that no creature in heaven or earth was more beautiful or alluring than her. Athena believed Poseidon and dismissed the matter. Though Poseidon told Athena otherwise, he couldn't stop thinking about beautiful Medusa. Her beauty and golden hair drew him in. Poseidon befriended Medusa. In response, Athena cursed her. She turned her hair into venomous snakes, but the curse didn't end there. Anyone who met her gaze would turn to stone. Thank you for watching. If fate allows, we'll meet in other videos.